Hey beauty people, welcome back to this video. In this video I will show you how you can add subscribe newsletter form in Elementor. So once you are in Elementor editor and then go to the bottom. Now click on the template icon. Now here search for subscribe. Now here you will see lot of template. Suppose I am going to choose this one or this one. Just click on insert and it's inserted. Now you can change this text, you can change everything and click on the email. Now on the left panel go to the form fields and this is the form name. You can change the form name, email, type, email, level. You can change the email label, placeholder. You can change the placeholder, email, required, yes, required, column width. You can change the column width, name, type text, label. You can change the placeholder. You can make it required. Input size, make it medium or larger. Button text, subscribe. You can change the text. Now go to the email and then to in which mail you want to collect this subscriber details. Just add the email and then subject line. This is for subject line and the message field from email. This is from email. You can change this from name, reply to. You can add more email field and then after that click on update. Now let's preview. And this is our subscribe newsletter form. Click on subscribe. Your submission was successful. So that's how you can add subscribe newsletter form in Elementor. Hope that this video helped you out. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.